Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I've got another facial treatment for you. This comes in very handy, especially during the very hot summer. What am I talking about? This is the frozen cucumber facial treatment. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I've got a fresh and juicy cucumber over here. This has been washed very well. I'll go ahead and slice it up. I'll cut just a few slices. Now I'll get a plastic bag, which is ideal for the freezer, and I'll put the sliced cucumber inside. I'll go ahead, close it up, and leave it in the freezer for about 24 hours. So it's been after about 24 hours and it's ready. I'll just get one slice and put the rest into the freezer. I must do this on a very clean face, so I'll get my favorite facial wash. Then I'll cleanse my face with it. Afterwards, I'll dab it dry. I'll get my frozen cucumber and I'll rub the ice cold vegetable on my face. Don't forget your eye area. This is very natural. It doesn't irritate the skin, so it's safe for the eye area as well. Now, cucumber reduces swelling and puffiness. If your face is swollen or it looks and feels puffy, this will really reduce it. It's advisable to do this in the morning, so it's part of your morning routine. It aids in acne-prone skin. You know, oily skin and dead skin cells can clog your pores and trigger acne breakouts. Cucumbers, which are mildly astringent, may help to cleanse the skin and tighten the pores. It also helps fight premature aging. The antioxidants in the cucumber may make it a potential helpful anti-wrinkle ingredient. It also contains vitamin C and folic acid, which has the ability to stimulate new cell growth. It soothes irritation. The cooling and anti-inflammatory effect of cucumbers may help ease pain, redness, and irritations caused by sunburns, insect bites, and even rashes. It also provides a base for hydration. You know, cucumbers are 96% water, so if you have very dry skin, this will help hydrate and moisturize your skin. Afterwards, I will leave this on my face till it dries off. So you can even go to bed with it. This will not irritate your skin. You don't necessarily need to wash it off. But when it's dried, I will just go ahead and rinse it off with lukewarm water. You don't need soap. After this treatment, you can go ahead and put on your makeup or your facial cream. For maximum results, you can do this every day or every other day. This will help improve the texture of your skin in general. So this is it, guys, and I hope I did help you. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. And don't forget to share this with family and friends. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.